Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you 5 Filipino meals for less than $2 each. And yes, Philippines can be quite an expensive country to travel when you compare it to other Asian destinations. However, if you eat at the local street markets, food markets, which is where we are going today, you can definitely eat cheap, or cheaper than you would in a restaurant. Sometimes even in the supermarkets, groceries can turn out to be more expensive than the street food markets, which is why they are very popular with locals and also with tourists. However, right now I'm in Bais, so there are not so many tourists here. It's mainly the locals. We're going to find 5 meals for less than $2 each, which should not be a struggle, may I add. Let's see what we can get. Okay, let's start our challenge with these spring rolls. They cost 5 lumpia, yes? These are vegetable spring rolls, but sometimes you can find them with chicken also. These are only 10 peso for 4 pieces. 5 peso per 2. You can get 8 for 20. And that will be quite a substantial amount, I feel like. But for now, this is just our starter. Right now we are at the second stall. And here, look at all these delicious meals that you can choose from. The one that especially caught my eye is this. This is shrimp or prawns in a omelette or in a fried... What is this actually?
Fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp with
Egg.
Egg. Shrimp omelette for only 25 pesos. Yeah, let's try. I've never tried this one before, but it looks very interesting. Which one you want? We can share, I guess. Yeah, one. 25 pesos. We have Bihon, also known as Pancit, right here. So we have noodles, small noodles.
Small noodles?
Yeah. So yeah, I think we'll have how much?
15 pesos.
15 pesos, perfect, per serving. Yeah, awesome.
You want guso?
Guso? Is that seaweed?
Seaweed.
Oh, I will go there and show them. And how much for this?
15 pesos.
Okay, we could try.
Yeah, with cucumber.
Cucumber and... Sure, let's try.
What? 30 pesos only.
Thank you.
Salamat.
So far, at every stand we can find something different, something new, something that I personally haven't tried before, and everything is extremely affordable. I am avoiding red meat because that's not something that I eat. However, if you want some meat versions of these foods, then you can definitely get them also at an affordable rate here. We just got to another stall with my favorite, I call it a pumpkin soup. Laswa. Laswa. Okay. Very healthy, full of goodies, okra, pumpkin, leaves, malunggay. And yeah, delicious. It's my favorite in the Philippines. I get it every breakfast. So 15 pesos. So incredibly affordable for how filling. It's very filling because of pumpkin and eggplant also. So yeah, definitely one of my fave. Everything comes in the plastic bags. So these are all of our meals. We'll eat in a sec because I don't think there's anywhere for us to sit here to eat.
Unsa ilunod anite? Walay karne. This is no meat.
No meat.
No meat.
What is it? Beans? Beans. Okay. Yeah, let's get 20 pesos. We've decided to walk to the other market. Thankfully it's right around the corner, just so we can have a better choice. I feel like at this market they will have some other goodies, so let's see what they have.
Pork inside.
Have a little break for the matcha green tea, my favorite, from the Peace Tea Company. Matcha. This one is my favorite part of the meal. Peace tea matcha, rated 10 out of 10. Incredible. 50% sweetness. So we're back now. These are the meals that we got. They all come in plastic packaging because if you take a takeout here at the market in the Philippines, they give you soups and your pancit, your noodles, fish and vegetables, all in plastic bags. Especially the soup is kind of unusual, but look how much we've got of this. Right, so I think we'll just unpack and dive into it. So these things were all very cheap, all below 30 pesos. I'm most excited about this one because this one is my favorite. It's very late, guys, so I'm very tired. And you, which one's your favorite?
My favorite is here.
Pancit, which is...
No, it's not pancit. Bihon.
Bihon. It's not pancit?
No.
It looks very similar. And then we have this prawn omelette also. Let's maybe unpack. Well,
This
to
one
some
baby
degree.
shrimp.
Oh, this one's baby shrimp.
Yeah.
This one's the baby shrimp omelette. Okay, it's difficult to see what they are because they're all in plastic wraps.
Yeah.
So, oh, that's a nice demonstration. I'd like to unpack them maybe. Maybe we can unpack them and put them on the tray. What do you think? Or you want to do them separately?
We can.
Well, this one we can't.
This one.
Yeah, this one we can't. This one we have to put in the bowl. Oh, we can do this now maybe. Okay, I've got it. Don't know if it's gonna all fit in the bowl though. Oh, amazing. You guys want?
Yeah.
You don't want this one? Okay, you
It's
sure?
your favorite.
Yeah, I know, but we've got enough for 2 people easily.
Yum yum. Same. And next.
I love the pumpkin because it makes it very filling. We cook this at home also, but you know, 15 pesos and you don't have to do any cooking. Okay,
Next.
so let's put this down. This is, what is it called?
Bangus.
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 Yeah.
Bangus?
Yeah.
Bangus. I don't know if
Milkfish
I
in
said right.
English.
Milkfish. Oh, I like milkfish. I've already tried it here in the Philippines. Let's try. You're gonna have some of this one?
No, yeah, that's for you.
You also? You're gonna have like the tiniest amount. Are you sure you don't want? I'm hungry. Is it not good?
I bite my teeth.
I think we are very tired doing this. How much for milkfish?
40 pesos.
40 peso. But it's a big piece.
One fish. That's yummy with the vegetable.
Nice flavor. A bit dry. Yeah, a bit dry.
Maybe the bones, no?
But yummy. Yummy with vegetable soup, I think. On its own, I think it's slightly too dry.
That's fresh.
Yeah, nice. Up close. These are, I really like these.
Lumpia.
Lumpia. Whether it's vegetable or chicken, this one is with just vegetables. I always love them.
Yeah, 5 pesos, 2 pieces.
Such a bargain. 2 pesos, 5 pieces. No. 5 pesos, 2 pieces. I wish we got 8.
I told you.
Should we go back? You will hate me if I tell you to go back.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy than the road.
Yummier than the road. If you say so. I haven't tried the road yet, but I will trust your word for it. Have more.
But for you.
Oh. Yeah. I think I might go back and get some more. Really nice. Why are you laughing? Well, if I go by myself, they might charge me 200 pesos.
That's why.
Hello. Thank you for serving us such delicious food. I can smell it already. As soon as I walked in, I was getting very excited.
Maybe she forgot my rice.
We're gonna enjoy the rest of the day even if it's raining.
Why you enjoy?
Because I'm with you.
Wow.
What does the message say?
The message said warning because it's a big rain, big flood, and yeah, you know the land is, I don't know what called that in English.
Collapsed, maybe?
Yeah, collapse.
Today it's been raining all day and very heavy rain during the night, so doesn't seem like it's going to stop anytime soon. Orange weather warning supposedly means that we have to prepare in case of evacuation for safety. So we have to be prepared, stay alert, because they may want to evacuate the communities, the citizens. Think we'll have to evacuate?
Depend on what they said to the police or the government, yung patrol, it's
I
depends.
see.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think the rain started this morning, so yeah.
I
that's
think
why
it
they
started
text
last
now.
night.
Last night.
Yes, it was raining all
So
throughout the night.
If example raining until tomorrow, it's gonna flood my
Yeah.
house again. The water is here again.